negative comments online. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. What should I do about negative comments online? Do the comments still bother me? Sometimes yes, in the past, but not now. You know, those who give negative comments don't have the courage to speak to you face to face. They neither have your strength and courage, nor can they digest your successes. That's true. They are completely envious, awkward, and helpless. You know, jealousy has disabled their entire mind. They do not want and cannot see you happy and successful. So now tell me, are their negative opinions more important than your happiness? Of course not. If you ever want to give an answer, you should give it to those who make you feel good about yourself. Before you step onto a path or into a situation where you know you will face a lot of comments, a lot of negative comments, make sure you have self-esteem and make sure that you fully believe in your own opinion, in your extraordinary being. You know, I know someone who is jealous of you. Either want what you have, or that you have a quality, you know, or characteristic that no matter what they do, they cannot have it. That's it. So tell me your opinion. Write a comment for me. And always remember, no one can take your place, and you cannot take someone else's place too. And always remember, you are unique, and there is only one you. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, listening to me. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Ashe. Amira Rani. Bye.